Can you just hold this? Come on. Don't hold it like that or you're going to break it. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be feeding some birds. So this is what we got so far. Sarah, I don't like that it's in a circle. And as you guys can see, there's a bunch of birds. And I have my hand out to try to feed them. As you guys can see. Dana! What?
What is the name of the bird that wants to come to you?
What do you mean?
Like, what do you think the first bird, who is the first bird do you think that's going to come?
I think the first bird that's gonna come is probably the biggest one. I can't really see the biggest one, but the biggest one is probably the leader. Wait, Sarah, no. Hey,
Then
Sarah,
you're going
don't.
to see the grass.
No, there's dog poop everywhere. Don't do that.
They want to see the grass.
Okay, so, usually the biggest birds are the leaders of the pack, like, of the bird flock. So I guess that the biggest bird is gonna come first.
Yes.
See if I'm safe.
Yes. Good. So, guys, pretty sure the biggest bird is going to come first, Jada says.
Yeah.
I think a chickadee is going to come first, actually.
Yeah. I think there's a bunch of chickadees up there.
Yes. Yeah.
Look, there's a chickadee right there. He's almost above my hand. Let's see if he flies down. Okay, Sarah, no, not that high. Okay, wait, okay, wait. Don't give it to me, though. Okay, fine.
I have it.
Okay, just point it kind of upwards, like with my, okay, can you see a chickadee?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now just focus on where you can see a chickadee. No, he just flown up.
So high.
Okay, maybe I'll just
Those bird sounds you guys are hearing, there's not actually birds. It's just some turkey we put on YouTube.
Oh no, we can't have the music play anymore, so it's the actual music.
Really? Cool.
I know.
My shoes are all... Do you guys want to see my shirt? So Jada is obsessed with this idea. She wants to try to...
Alright, we're just going to leave the birds on the ground.
do.
Can I film now?
Yeah. I'll go inside. You promise when we're done with the bath, you can go inside.
I'm done with the bath.
You said you promised when we're done with the bath, we can go inside.
I didn't promise.
You did.
No, I never.
You promised, and you said yes.
Oh, no, I didn't hear you say you promise. I didn't promise.
I heard you say yes.
I said yes, but I didn't hear you say promise. You promise? I didn't hear you say that. Okay, we'll go inside and we'll check if any of the bread is gone. Alright guys, we're going inside, and what does Sarah want to do? What do you want to do?
Have fun.
Well, not like that, but it's just like, what do you want to do while we're in here? Arts and crafts, maybe? Yeah. Okay, arts and crafts. Alright guys, we're going to do some arts and crafts. So, Sarah, what do you want to do? Okay.
I want to measure Play-Doh.
Okay, that's what I thought.
And coconut oil.
We can't use the coconut oil for play.
Well, then we'll do science. Science molds.
Well, Sarah, I don't want to do science. I just want to do crafts. Like we used to all the time. Remember?
What kind of crafts?
I don't know, drawing, making, like whatever, like crafty stuff there is.
Pipe cleaner. Play-Doh.
Okay. I'm going to get some of the pipe cleaners.
Blue. Easter color.
Why are you saying that kind of like a baby?
I'm not a baby.
I know, but why are you saying it kind of like it?
I'm not a baby.
I know, but why are you saying it kind of like a baby way?
I don't know.
Because you're silly?
No.
Yes.
I'm going to make a bunny.
Okay, guys, let's focus it on making the bunny. Well, look, there's the mold right there.
That's not why I'm going to make a bunny. I'm making my own Easter bunny.
Okie dokie.
Actually, I'm going to make an Easter bunny. Actually, I'm going to make everything. I'm going to make a popsicle.
Okay, cool.
Actually, I'm going to make a heart.
Okay.
Actually,
Just stop.
I don't know what I'm going to make.
I don't know what I want to make either.
Okay, I'm just going to use the blue clay. I don't know why. And with the pipe cleaner, stick one end in the
I
clay.
really want to be outside right now.
I don't, because it's super cold.
Okay, I don't think it's cold.
But probably because your sweater is so warm.
Yeah, that's probably it.
I wish you were cold. Hey!
Well, I don't wish I was cold. Why do you wish I was cold? That's kind of mean.
You're not trying to be mean. You just wish you were
It's kind of mean to wish somebody was cold.
I'm not trying to be mean. So take the pipe cleaner. It's not very...
Oh, Sarah, I have an idea.
What are we going to make?
I think we should make, something. Oh, wait. Oh, I have an idea. Can we go upstairs? Can you put the plate back? Okay.
I'm going to make it.
So, as you guys know, as the video I did last night, my cat, she has a scratch. So, we're maybe going to go up there and see if we can catch her. I'm going to close the door. Okay, guys, come on.
Did I work? Oh, never mind. Jada, honey, come here. You've got dirt on your booty.
I do?
Turn around.
Empty. Whatever.
Whatever.
Okay, let's go upstairs, Sarah. Oh, I see Jasmine. Sarah, come in here. I'm going to close the door. Don't worry, I know how to open it. Come on. Okay, guys, we're inside my mom's room, and I'm going to turn on the light. Oh, it already is turned on. Silly me. Okay, Jasmine's probably under the bed now because she's kind of scared. Jasmine, baby, it's okay.
You guys remember the 10 facts about her cat she did they used?
Yeah.
You watched that one. You know how I know about
Oh,
that?
Sarah, can I tell you something?
Do you want to know how I know about
Wait. One of my videos has 46 views. 46 views.
Then you know how I know about that 10 facts about the cat video? Because I watched it. And
Yeah.
you kept talking about me, talking about me. You kept saying, let's say you're my friend Sarah.
I know.
She doesn't like.
Okay, guys.
Is a mess. I could have sworn I brushed it this morning.
Oh, Sarah, if you want, you can borrow my brush.
No, thank you.
It's actually my mom's.
If I had a pony, I would turn it into a ponytail and it would look a lot better.
Okay.
Like if you're in a rush and you can't like brush your hair, a ponytail is a good idea.
Yeah.
Or if you're in a not a big rush and you just don't want to brush your hair, a curling iron sometimes does the trick. Or a flattening iron, which I have. I have my own straight iron. Straightening iron.
Come on, Jasmine.
It's so blurry on one part of the mirror. How does she even see herself? See this one part of the mirror that's so blurry? Ugh. This mirror needs cleaned. And my shoes. Ugh.
I know you like burring.
Your bird in there?
Yeah, she likes to burrow. I know. When she's in her burrow, she doesn't like to be disturbed. So we'll just sit here with her.
Well, Jasmine,
I kissed her.
you have a stylish day today.
What do you mean?
She looks very pretty today.
She looks very pretty every day.
No, today she looks amazing.
Jasmine, it's okay.
How?
Okay, you want to be in your burrow? You have a nasty scratch. It's good for her to be in her burrow so she doesn't really scratch. She likes to be in her burrow. Obviously, I actually took her by the back and I was kind of dragging her out, and then I put her there so Sarah could see her. And also so she wouldn't be under the bed for the whole time. And also she's scared because she never really has, because Sarah has never really petted Sarah, so.
Oh, she has a couple times.
Yeah, but like, baby, it's okay. Baby, honey, it's okay, baby. Honey, it's okay. I'm gonna put my hand on her back to see what she does. She's breathing. Oh, baby. No.
This place almost always looks like it's Halloween.
I know. Here you go, baby. It's okay. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You want to go to sleep? You're beautiful, my baby. You're beautiful. Look at this kitty cat.
Where's that scratch?
It's above her eye. She has blood kind of on her eye, kind of.
It's horrible.
I know.
Oh, she's so cute for that. She's so cute for that.
She doesn't really like it when we talk loud, so that's why I'm talking softly.
She's
She
so
likes
cute
when I-
for that.
She likes when I lay on her back, too.
Look
That's
at
my
that
head.
smear. Tita, look at that smear.
I know.
How can you even see her eyes? Two cowgirls.
What do you mean?
I'm just trying to style my hair a different style.
There, can you see her face for the mirror? I mean, do this.
Yeah.
Baby, it's okay. Just snuggle under my arms and it'll be okay. Poor cat. I mean, I know I grabbed her, but I did it so she would get a little bit calmer. Yeah, see that scratch? Look at that nasty scratch. I tried to attempt to put a bandage on it, but it didn't work out so well.
I see there's bandages on the floor that you tried to use, right?
Yep.